Okay, so that is about our material today. Materi kita hari ini, can. Kira-kira Gitrif tahu nggak nih? Can ini artinya apa nih?
Mm,
Can artinya tahu nggak?
no,
No. Can ini artinya bisa ya. Jadi can sama dengan bisa atau dapat. Bisa atau dapat. Nah, bisa aja deh, bisa. Jadi untuk bilang kalau bisa melakukan sesuatu. For example, I can, you can, he can, she can, we can, they can, the student can, the students can. Jadi semuanya pakai can. Nggak ada yang perlu tambah s atau is atau tambahan-tambahan lainnya. Jadi kayak can, cuma can aja. Nggak perlu ada cans, ada can doang. Jadi I can, misalnya I can swim. Nah, berarti semua juga tetap sama. You can swim, he can swim, she can swim, we can swim, they can swim, the student can swim, the students can swim. Jadi can artinya bisa. Semuanya pakai bisa. Oke, so on the table of content, di daftar isi kita punya picture dictionary, I, you, he, she, we, they, the student, the students, and the last quiz. Okay, now start from the first. We have picture dictionary. Okay, so here we have some activities. Ada beberapa kegiatan gitu. We have can read, can write, can run, can sing, can swim, can dance, can ski, can jump, can cook, can speak English, can ride a bicycle, can play the piano. Okay, so that is about our some activities, beberapa kegiatan kita hari ini. Okay, start from the first, we will have can read. Artinya apa nih gitu?
mm, bisa membaca,
Bisa membaca. Okay, that's correct. Kalau can write,
bisa bisa menulis,
bisa menulis. Can run,
bisa lari,
bisa lari. Can sing,
bisa nyanyi,
bisa menyanyi. Okay, that is the first line. Can read, bisa membaca. Can write, bisa menulis. Can run, bisa lari. Sama the last, can sing, bisa menyanyi. Okay, let's move to the second line. Garis kedua, kita punya can swim, can dance, can ski, can jump. Okay, start from the first, can swim. Artinya,
bisa berenang,
bisa berenang. Okay, and then can dance.
bisa menari,
Bisa menari. Can ski,
bisa main ski,
bisa bermain ski. Lalu ada can jump,
bisa melompat,
bisa melompat. Alright, perfect. That is then the second line. Can swim, bisa berenang. Can dance, bisa berlari. Can ski, bisa bermain ski. Can jump, bisa melompat. Next, we have can cook, can speak English, can ride a bicycle, can play the piano. Oke, start from first. Can cook, artinya
bisa memasak,
bisa memasak. Can speak English,
bisa bahasa Inggris,
bisa speak. Speak apa?
bicara bahasa Inggris,
Nah, bisa bicara bahasa Inggris. Can speak English. Bisa bicara bahasa Inggris. Oke, that is in the second. Lalu, can ride a bicycle.
bisa menaiki sepeda,
Bisa menaiki atau mengendarai ya. Mengendarai sepeda. Oke, gitu deh. Can you ride a bicycle?
yes,
Okay, that's good. And then we have can play the piano.
Bisa bermain piano.
Bisa bermain piano. Okay, that's perfect. In the last line, can cook bisa memasak, can
No.
speak English bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris, can ride a bicycle bisa mengendarai sepeda, and then can play the piano bisa bermain piano. Oke gitu Rif. Now I want you to read from the first here until the last. Jadi dari can read sampai can play the piano. Bisa gitu Rif? In English and in Indonesian.
Yes.
Oke please.
Can read bisa membaca. Can write bisa menulis. Can run bisa berlari. Can sing bisa menyanyi. Can swim bisa berenang. Can dance bisa menari. Can ski bisa bermain ski. Can jump bisa melompat. Can cook bisa memasak. Can speak English bisa bicara bahasa Inggris. Can ride a bicycle bisa mengendarai sepeda. Can play the piano bisa bermain piano.
Oke, perfect. So that is from the first until the last. Oke, jadi kalau mau bilang bisa itu adalah can. Can artinya bisa. Oke, kira-kira Gitrif, what is your ability? Gitrif paling bagus dalam hal apa nih?
Berenang.
Berenang, swim. Selain swim, ada lagi?
Can ride a bicycle.
Can ride bicycle. Jadi Gitrif bisa can swim sama can ride a bicycle. Kira-kira Gitrif kalau mau bilang aku bisa berenang, bahasa Inggrisnya gimana?
I can swim.
Oke, kalau aku bisa mengendarai sepeda,
I can bicycle.
I can.
Ride bicycle.
Oke, I can ride bicycle. Oke, so that is about picture dictionary. Any question? Ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will move to the next. Here, start from I. I artinya adalah apa gitu, Rif?
Aku bisa
Aku.
menari.
Oke, aku bisa menari. Jadi di sini yang pertama ada for the example we have I can dance. Aku bisa menari. Oke, sekarang kita isi semua start from number one until number eight. Number one,
I can swim.
I can swim. Number two,
I can cook.
I can cook. Number three,
I can sing.
I can sing. Number four,
I can run.
I can run. Oh, bukan run nih. Apa nih kira-kira?
I can jump.
I can jump. Number five,
I can ski. I
I
can
can ski. Number six,
I can run.
I can run. Number seven,
I can speak English.
I can speak English. Number eight,
I can read.
I can read. Okay. So that is for the first until the last. Number one until number eight. I can sing, I can cook, I can sing, I can jump, I can ski, I can run, I can speak English, I can read. Okay, now Gitrif, please read in English and in Indonesian. Can you do it?
I can swim. Aku bisa berenang. I can cook. Aku bisa memasak. I can sing. Aku bisa menyanyi. I can jump. Aku bisa melompat. I can ski. Aku bisa bermain ski. I can run. Aku bisa berlari. I can speak English. Aku bisa bahasa Inggris. I can read. Aku bisa membaca.
Oke, perfect. Jangan lupa ya, speak. Speak artinya
Bahasa,
Speak
baca,
apa? Speak. Kalau baca
bahasa,
kan bahasa kan language. English itu udah bahasa Inggris. Kalau speak berarti
ngomong.
ngomong atau berbicara. Jadi I can speak English, bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesianya.
Aku bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris.
Alright, great. Aku bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Oke, this is for I can. Aku bisa. Ada pertanyaan gitu? Oke,
Apa?
jika ada pertanyaan,
Enggak.
oke, if you don't have any question, oke. Jika mau bertanya, kira-kira gitu bisa nggak? Maksudnya kayak ini kan I can dance. Kalau bertanya, bisakah kamu menari? Bisakah aku menari? Jadi gimana coba? Misal, oke, sorry. Jadi kalau mau bertanya bisa, can you dance? Nah, ini untuk bertanya, can you dance? Nah, kira-kira untuk jawabannya gitu tahu nggak?
Yes, I
Yes.
can dance.
Iya, oke, bisa langsung yes I can aja sama kalau no gimana?
No, I don't.
Nah, kalau biasanya kan no I don't. Nah, kalau di sini nggak perlu pakai
No,
don't.
I can.
Oke,
No,
no
I
I
can.
can't atau no I cannot ya. Jadi kalau ditanya can you dance? Kalau bisa yes I can. Kalau nggak bisa berarti no I can't atau no I cannot. Kalau kemarin kan depannya do. Do you dance? Apakah kamu menari? Bisa yes I do sama no I don't. Kalau can depannya berarti harus ikut can. Yes I can sama no I can't. I cannot. Ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No,
No. Oke. Nah, kalau misalnya aku tidak bisa menari, gitu, Rif tahu nggak bahasa Inggrisnya gimana?
no, I can.
Kan kalau bahasa
No,
Inggrisnya aku bisa menari, I can dance. Kalau aku tidak bisa menari, bahasa Inggrisnya gimana?
no, I
Eh,
can.
aku tidak bisa menarik. Jadi bahasa Inggrisnya aku, I.
No,
Depannya I.
I no.
Bisa bilang I can dance. Atau I cannot dance. Nah, bilangnya gini gitu. Bisa bilang aku tidak bisa menari, I can't dance. Atau I cannot dance. Do you understand gitu, Rif?
Yes.
Oke, misalnya kalau kamu nggak bisa berlari, bahasa Inggrisnya gimana?
Mm,
Aku tidak bisa berlari, bahasa Inggrisnya.
I can run.
Oke, jadi kalau can-nya tidak bisa, ada T-nya. Can't. Kayak ada T nyempil gitu, I can't. Tapi untuk biar jelasnya bisa bilang I cannot run. Jadi biar jelas. Kadang kalau nggak kedengeran jelas kan kayak, oh berarti bisa. Tapi kalau mau ditekankan langsung bisa langsung bilang I cannot run. Jadi kalau misalnya Kitrif tidak bisa melompat, gimana? Aku tidak bisa melompat bahasa Inggrisnya.
I cannot jump.
Oke, perfect. Oke, bener banget Kitrif. Ada pertanyaan Kitrif?
No.
Okay, if you don't have any question, we will continue to the next. Setelah I, kita punya you. Oke,
You can jump.
oke, wait a minute. Jadi kita sekarang ke you. You artinya apa gitu, Rif?
Kamu.
Kamu. Oke, jadi di sini ada kamu. You can read. Kamu bisa membaca. Oke, now we have number one. You
You can run.
You can lompat.
You can jump.
You can jump. Number two,
You can ride bicycle.
you can ride. Bacanya ride ya. You can ride a bicycle. Number three,
You can ski.
you can ski. Oke, maaf. Ini harusnya ada can-nya di sini. You can ride a bicycle. Hmm. Oke, number four,
You can ride.
you can ride. Number five,
You can dance.
you can dance. Number six,
You can play piano.
you can play piano. Number seven,
You can sing.
you can sing. Number eight,
You can swim.
you can swim. Okay, that is for number one until number eight. Okay, now Gitrif, please read in English and in Indonesian. Okay?
Cep, cep,
Ya.
mau pipis.
Oke, silakan Gitrif. Oke, kita lanjut. Now, please read number one until number eight in English and in Indonesian. Okay?
Oke.
Okay, please.
You can jump. Kamu bisa melompat. You can ride a bicycle. Kamu bisa menaiki sepeda. You can ride, you can ski. Kamu bisa bermain ski. You can write. Kamu bisa menulis. You can dance. Kamu bisa menari. You can play piano. Kamu bisa bermain piano. You can sing. Kamu bisa bernyanyi. You can swing. Kamu bisa berenang.
Okay, perfect. Jadi di sini adalah you, kamu, you can, kamu bisa. Nah, sama aja kayak tadi, I can, you can. Jadi nggak ada bedanya. Misalnya Gitrif mau kalau rubah nomor satu nih, jadi kalimat tanya bisa nggak? Ini kan you can jump. Kalau mau tanya, apakah kamu bisa bisakah kamu melompat? Bahasa Inggrisnya gimana Gitrif?
I,
Kan ini you
you,
can jump. Kalau jadi pertanyaan menjadi, bisakah kamu lompat? Menjadi
mm,
bingung?
yes.
Oke, nah untuk merubahnya cukup dibalik. Jadi di sini dibalik nih dari nah di sini ada you can. Jadi dibalik menjadi can you jump. Nah ini sudah jadi kalimat tanya. Can you jump? Jadi bisakah kamu melompat? Nah ini udah menjadi kalimat pertanyaan. Kalau misalnya mau tanya, bisakah kamu menari? Bahasa Inggrisnya gimana gitu?
Mm, can you dance?
Oke, perfect. Can you dance? Nah, jadi cukup dibalik can-nya di depan, you-nya di belakang can. Kalau mau bertanya, kalau mau bilang, cukup you can jump. Kalau bertanya, can you jump? Oke, ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No.
Oke, jika tidak ada, kita lanjut nih. Setelah you, kita punya he. Oke, he artinya apa?
Mhm. Dia laki-laki.
Dia laki-laki. Oke, kita punya he. Dia laki-laki. Okay, now we will have number one until number eight lagi. Start from number one.
He
He,
write. He
he,
can write.
he can write. Okay. Number two,
He can he
he
can
can,
play piano.
he can play piano. Okay. Number three,
He can dance.
he can. Ini apa nih? Ada
Yes,
lagu-lagunya. Berarti
he can dance.
kalau oh ini dance ya, sorry, sorry. Oh ya bener deh. He can dance. Tadi kan kira ini nih menyanyi. Oke, number four,
He can cook.
he can cook. Number five,
He can speak English.
he can speak English. Number six,
He can
he can
ski.
ski. Okay, number seven,
He can jump.
he can jump. Okay, the last,
He can playing bicycle.
he can gimana?
He can ride bicycle.
He can ride a bicycle. Okay, perfect. This is for number one until number eight. He. Oke, kira-kira Gidrif bisa nggak berubah jadi kalimat tanya number one?
Can he ride?
Oke, that's correct. Can he write? Artinya apa?
Apakah kamu bisa menulis?
Apakah kamu bisa menulis atau bisakah kamu menulis? Oke, perfect. Oke, Gidrif, tunggu sebentar ya. Tunggu 1 menit. Oke?
Oke.
Oke, sebentar. Oke, kita akan lanjut ke selanjutnya. Number one until number eight. Can you read in English and in Indonesian, Gidrif?
He can write. Kamu Dia bisa menulis. He can play a piano. Dia bisa bermain piano. He can dance. Dia bisa menari. He can cook. Dia bisa memasak. He can speak English. Dia bisa mm, bicara
Berbicara.
bahasa Inggris. He can ski. Dia bisa bermain ski. He can jump. Dia bisa lompat. He can ride a bicycle. Dia bisa bermain menaiki bicycle.
Oh,
Sepeda.
sepeda. Oke, good job. Oke, jangan lupa ya, ride itu bisa menaiki atau mengendarai. Jadi, he can ride a bicycle. Dia bisa mengendarai sepeda. Oke. Oke, Gitrif, I want to ask you, can you ride a bicycle?
Yes.
Oke, so there is two tires, dua roda,
Yes.
two wheels. Oke, tadi bukan yang 4 roda ya.
Bukan.
Oke, great. Keren banget. Oke, setelah he, kita punya, next we have she. She artinya bagi Drift.
Dia perempuan.
Dia perempuan. Oke, start from the first. She. Oke,
He
number one,
can
she.
swim.
She can swim. Number two,
He can run.
she can run. Number three,
He can piano.
she can, apa nih?
Play piano.
She can play a piano. Number four,
She can she can dance.
She can dance. Number five.
She can write.
She can write. Number six.
She can cook.
She can cook. Number seven.
She can write.
She can read. Yeah, she can read. Number eight.
She can speak English.
She can speak English. Okay, that's perfect. Nah, oke, sekarang kita punya yang she. Oke, coba nomor satu dirubah jadi kalimat tanya gitu. Can you do it?
Can she swim?
Can she swim? Oke, sekarang kalau jawab yes sama no, kira-kira gimana?
Mm, yes.
Yes, apa?
Yes, I can.
Oke, ini buat she, buat dia nih. Berarti yes.
Yes.
Kalau aku kan yes, I can. Kalau buat dia perempuan, yes.
Yes. Yes, I can swim.
Kalau aku bisa, ya aku bisa. Yes, I can. Kalau ya dia perempuan bisa, berarti yes.
Yes, she can.
Oke, great. Yes, she can. Kalau no,
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 can not
no, she
swim.
can't.
Cannot swim.
Atau no, she cannot ya. Oke, ini nih. Jadi kalau tadi sama kayak he. Kalau can he swim, jawabannya yes, he can, sama no, he can't, atau no, he cannot. Nah, kalau she dirubah jadi can she swim, yes, she can, sama no, she can't, atau no, she cannot. Oke, gitu, Rif. Do you understand?
Yes.
Ada yang dibingungkan nggak nih? Atau, hah, maksudnya gimana, Cap? Ada yang bingung nggak?
No.
No. Oke, if you don't have any question, gak ada pertanyaan ya?
No.
No. Oke, kita lanjut setelah she, kita punya we. We artinya
Mm, kami.
kami atau kita. That's correct. Jadi ada we can speak English. Oke, number one,
We can.
mhm, we
We
can
can
cook.
cook.
Number two,
We can ski.
we can ski. Number three,
We can run.
we can run. Number four,
We can jump.
we can jump. Number five,
We can read.
we can read. Number six,
We can sing.
we can sing. Number seven,
We can swim.
we can swim. The last,
We can ride.
we can ride. Oke, good job. Oke, sekarang nomor satu nih dirubah jadi kalimat tanya menjadi
Can we cook?
can we cook? Kalau yes gimana? Kalau no gimana?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we
Cook.
can. Kalau no,
No, no, we can.
no, we can't. Atau no,
No, cannot.
we cannot. Oke, perfect. Oke, now Gitrif, please read number one until number eight in English only. Bahasa Inggrisnya aja ya. Gimana gitu, Rif? Nomor 1 sampai nomor 8 dibaca bahasa Inggrisnya aja.
We can cook, we can ski, we can run, we can jump, we can read, we can sing, we can swim, we can ride.
Oke, perfect. Nah, lanjut ke selanjutnya. Kita punya they. They artinya
Mereka,
mereka. Oke, for the example, they can cook. Mereka bisa memasak. Kita lanjut. Di sini, number one, we have
they
one.
can play
Hmm,
piano,
they can play piano. Number two,
they can read,
write. They can write. Number three,
they can sing,
they can sing. Number four,
they can swing, dance,
they can dance. Number five,
they can run.
they can run. Number six,
They can jump.
they can jump. Number seven,
They can ski.
ski. The last,
They can read.
they can read. Okay. Okay, now number one dirubah jadi kalimat tanya nih.
Can they play piano?
Can they play piano? Kalau yes, gimana?
Yes. Can.
Yes,
Yes, they can.
yes they can. Kalau no,
No. Can. They can.
atau no,
No. Can. They cannot.
no they cannot. Oke, oke ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No.
No. Oke, selanjutnya kita punya the student. Now, jadi murid, jadi cuma satu, tetap nggak ada perbedaannya, tetap bisa can ski. The student can ski. Oke, number one,
The student sing.
the student
Sing.
can sing.
Sing.
Number two,
The student can ride bicycle.
okay, the student can ride a bicycle. Number three,
The student can write uh, can
can
speak English.
speak English. Number four,
Can
apa? The student,
the student can cook.
the student can cook. Number five,
The student can run.
the student can run. Number six,
The student can dance.
can dance. Number seven,
The student can swim.
the student can swim. Number eight,
The student can play piano.
can play piano. Okay, perfect. That is number one until number eight. Kira-kira number satu nih, dirubah jadi kalimat tanya menjadi
Can the student swim?
can
Sing?
the students sing? Jawabannya bisa yes sama no. Gimana?
Yes, the student can.
Oke, jadi the student bisa dirubah menjadi he atau she ya. tergantung dari dia cewek apa cowok. Di sini dia cewek apa cowok gitu, Rif?
Cowok.
Cowok berarti yes,
He
yes he can. Kalau
can.
no,
No, no, can.
he cannot.
Can.
Oke, ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No,
Ada yang dibingungkan?
no.
Oke, jika tidak ada lanjut. Next, after the student, kita punya the students. Nah, jadi ini kalau lebih dari satu. Oke, number one,
The student
can.
can read.
Oke, number two,
The student read can read.
can write. Jangan lupa ya, the student-nya ada S-nya. The students, gitu.
The
Number three,
student run.
the students can run. Jangan lupa ada can. Number four,
The students can sing.
the students can sing. Number five,
The student can swim.
the students can swim. Number six,
The student can dance.
can dance. Jangan lupa ada S-nya ya, the students. The students, gitu.
The
Seven,
students can ski.
can ski. Number eight,
The students can jump.
can jump. Oke, perfect. Ada pertanyaan gitu, Rif?
No.
No. Oke, the last, we will have quiz. Oke, sekarang kita ada quiz nih. Number one until number eight, number seven. Oke, sekarang kita, for the example, I. Jadi, I can write. Oke, number one, gimana?
You can ride bicycle.
You can ride a bicycle. Number two,
He can speak English.
you can speak English. Number three,
She can dance.
she can dance. Number four,
She can run. Eh, we can run.
we can run. Number five,
They can read.
they can read. Number six,
The student jump.
the student
Jump. Can
so-
jump.
can jump. Number seven,
The students swim.
the students
Can swim.
can swim. Oke, perfect. Jadi can adalah bisa. Oke, benar sekali semuanya Gitrif. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya Gitrif, misal sama ibunya disuruh melakukan sesuatu, boleh banget nih jawab, yes, I can, mom, gitu. Jadi kalau disuruh Gitrif, waktunya apa? Dan mungkin Gitrif bisa bantuin angkat ini enggak? Gitu. Nggak bisa, yes, I can, gitu. Oke,
Okay.
ada pertanyaan Gitrif?
No.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will take picture together. Kita akan ambil foto. Oke, kita hitung 1 sampai 3 ya. One, two, three. Oh ya, si empat terlebih dahulu. Oke, thank you very much, Gitrif. So, wait.